everyone. Today we will talk about how to install drivers on a laptop or computer. First of all, you need to know what kind of Windows operating system we have. At the moment I have Windows 7. To find the drivers, with the left mouse button we enter the Start, Computer, System Properties, Device Manager. At the moment I have all the drivers installed. But if you just reinstalled Windows, you will have question marks, or yellow triangles with an exclamation point. There are two ways to install drivers. The first way is from the official site. We go to the Google search engine. We enter the name of our laptop. I have Asus drivers. We get to the official website of Asus. Enter the model name of your computer. Asus X51R. Then select our operating system. I have Windows 7, 32-bit. The site search engine found the necessary drivers for download. Click Download. After downloading, we check our downloaded files with an antivirus. I have Avast antivirus. We check the files for viruses. After checking the files, you can update the drivers. Updating the drivers is easy. Go into the bootloader and follow the instructions. After the laptop installs the drivers, restart the laptop. The second way, go to the Start menu, Computer, System Properties, Device Manager. Select a question mark, or a triangle with an exclamation point. Right-click Properties. Next, select the device information. Left-click the Equipment ID key. Next, copy the equipment ID. Go to the Google search engine. We are looking for the right driver on the internet. I am more impressed by the site driverslab.ru. There are very good drivers and there are never viruses. We see a list of drivers has appeared. We select the necessary driver, depending on the Windows operating system and the bit of the computer, 32-bit or 64-bit. Click Download. Then I check the downloaded files with an antivirus. Next, update the driver. drivers on this computer. Next, I clicked Browse in the folder in which we installed the file, and the laptop will automatically install the drivers. After updating the drivers, the laptop must be restarted. As a result, if all drivers are updated, there will be no triangles and X